Hello everybody, I am Tadashi Mori, and in this video here I'll show you how to make this Origami F15. This is my own design, and to fold it you will need an A4 printer paper. And if you become an Angel member, you will also have access to the printable diagrams for this origami and several other origamis. Now let's start the tutorial. So, to make the origami, you will use an A4 printer paper, and start by folding and unfolding along these lines. Now fold the model in half and unfold it. And you're going to make a valley fold along this line. Pay attention to the reference points. Now you're going to inside reverse fold along this line. To do it, you just have to press here, this side, and fold it to inside like this. Now, turn the model over, and make a fold along this line. Now you're going to fold and unfold the flap at the top. And you're going to inside reverse fold along the lines we just made. Now make a valley fold, folding the whole top flap downwards. And the model will look like this. Now you're going to fold and unfold only the front flap, making the sides go up to the middle line. Now you're going to fold the right flap up to the line we made on the left flap. Now we are going to do the same thing on the left side, folding up to the rightmost line on the right side. Now unfold the top layer. And next we are going to make this sequence of folds. And the model will look like this. But don't worry, we are going to do it slowly. So, start by folding these two valley folds, and the model will not lie flat until we make all the folds. So, slightly fold these two valley folds. Now, you're going to make two mountain folds on the next lines. Now we are going to do the same thing here on the other side, so start by these two valley folds. And then make the next two mountain folds. And lastly, you're going to fold this top flap backwards. So, from this side, it's going to look like this. Right? And looking from the other side, it's going to look like this. Next, you're going to turn the model over. And you're going to fold the right wing passing below the front layer. And to make this fold, you're going to use this reference point. So, pass the wing below this front layer and pull until you get to the reference point. Now you're going to fold the same flap to the other side along the middle line. Now, do the same thing here on the other side. So again, you're going to take this flap, fold it below this front layer, and adjust with this reference point. Now you're going to fold the flap back to the other side along the middle line. Now narrow the front tip. Now fold the whole model in half. And you're going to fold both wings 90 degrees along this line. Next, you're going to fold only the front flap 90 degrees along this line. As you can see, the model is almost done, and the final touch is to inside reverse fold all the tips. And finally, the model is done. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you like it, please do not forget to click on the like button. It takes only 1 second and it helps me a lot. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see all my new creations. And as always, don't forget to be nice to the others and to yourself. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.